AI isn't coming, it has already arrived. And the real question isn't, will AI replace jobs? It's more like, how many and how fast?
Welcome to our channel, Deep Global Insights.
If you're new here, we break down the future of technology in simple human language so you can stay ahead, not behind.
Restaurants, factories, hospitals, offices. Everything is changing quietly. For decades, being a waiter or cashier was considered a stable job. But now, customers tap a tablet, scan a QR code, and pay without talking to anyone. A single ordering device is doing the job of two people. Some stores don't even need cashiers. Cameras track what you pick up and charge your account automatically. So will all waiters and cashiers disappear? Not exactly. Only those who bring real human connection will survive. Retail workers. Self-checkouts are everywhere. Drivers, autonomous vehicles don't need sleep or salary. Factory workers, robots weld, assemble, pack. Customer service is being absorbed by AI. Data entry, scheduling, documentation, all automated.
This isn't a prediction anymore. It's the first wave, and it's already here.
AI reads medical scans better than many specialists. Tasks that took teams now take minutes. AI adjusts to a student's pace with unlimited patience. Writers, editors, designers. AI handles basic work instantly. AI can generate thousands of ideas, images, and words in seconds. But it doesn't know why any of it matters. It can create output, but it cannot feel emotion. It can imitate creativity, but it cannot understand meaning. That part still belongs to us, the humans behind the machine.
AI won't replace 90% of jobs, but it will change 90% of what we do. AI won't take away your job. Someone who understands AI will. The question isn't, will AI replace me? The real question is, will I adapt faster than AI evolves? Use AI as your superpower, and your future is safe. Sometimes the smallest moments, like this sunset, this coffee, this peace, remind us how beautiful life can be.
I hope you enjoyed our video. Thanks so much for watching.